What was it like before the women? That's the real question. Because before any women team, there was just me. And it was kids. There was no creativity, there was no fun, there was no sense of empowerment, or there was no elevation. You can't have operations, office and on-site communicating the way that we do. We do a fantastic job now, and that's because of the women.
I think here as well, I just feel supported because it's like, it's a family business, but like it's more like a family. Like I feel like there's more people that I can come to that would help me. And then just with Cara in general, but she supports me all the time in and out of work, so that's sort of always there.
I think I'm pretty good at finding the best in people, bringing that out of them, giving them a sense of belonging and confidence in that belonging. So I think that is my contribution, being a good leader as best as I possibly can be on the foundations that Dad and Gran and Caroline gave me. So she's my mum, and she raised me well.
You need to have that strong back, the strong back and the soft front for getting you through, for moving ahead, but still being open and receptive to what your workforce brings to you.
Nick's contribution is quite personal to me because in the sense of who I am is to do with how she empowers me.
I never want to give up on anybody. I always want them to always see the potential. I always want to see them to grow. And I think I've got strong morals around it. And I think that helps.
Without her, I wouldn't have that friend and confidant to tell me that we're doing the right thing. So Nick does a fantastic job of looking after me. I appreciate her.
Cara gives me the support to balance as best as we can being a mother and being a leader in a company as well. And I am like so grateful for that. Not only that Cara gives, but even like the whole team. Like you guys are like so supportive over that. Like you've never questioned it. It just is. There's an acceptance there.
I feel for Cara sometimes. I think if there's Cara in the room and there's a male in the room and someone comes in, they'll automatically look at the male, and that is very unfair because she knows her stuff. She definitely knows her stuff. So I do feel for her sometimes. But women in construction, they can do just as good a job as any man. Of course we can.
Show me another company where every department communicates the way that we do. I do not believe it exists.
I often joke that I'm not going anywhere for a very long time. You might have to take me out with a crowbar. No, I do. I really love working here, and I'd like to be a part of G&M for as long as G&M wants me to be a part. Wherever we're going, I want to be there. I want to be part of it, and I'm looking forward to that.
I can't imagine another place of work where people turn up and take an armour off. I always know that most people go to work and have to put an armour on. So yeah, Gillies Mackay is pretty special in that way. So if you're brave enough to show your true self, this is the place to work.